There are some things that you'll find yourself modeling again and again. It can be useful to keep these topologies as assets for later reuse. Then copy and paste them when needed and snap them to your geometry. First, move, rotate and scale the geometry to roughly where you need it to be. Turn on snapping to faces to wrap the geometry to the other object's surface. Then close the gaps by moving the boundary vertices with vertex snapping. Turn off snapping when that's done and remove the faces that will be replaced. Then join both objects with Ctrl J and merge vertices by selecting all and pressing M, then choosing Merge by Distance.